Hey there! Ever wondered what that string of numbers is that identifies your device online? That's your IP address, and it's pretty fascinating stuff. Think of it like a digital street address for your computer or phone, allowing devices to find and talk to each other across the internet. IP addresses come in different classes, primarily Class A, B, and C, each designed for networks of varying sizes. Class A addresses are for massive networks, starting with numbers 1 to 126. Class B is for medium to large networks, typically starting with numbers 128 to 191. And Class C is for smaller networks, usually beginning with numbers 192 to 223. For instance, a Class A might look like 10.0.0.1, a Class B like 17.16.0.1, and a Class C could be 19.168.1.1. Understanding these helps us appreciate how the internet is organized. Thanks for joining me to explore this tech tidbit. If you found this helpful, feel free to follow along for more tech insights.